This is the Icom IC-F29SR2, APMR446 radio with no screen, 32 channels across 2 zones, waterproofing to IP67, and a ring call that tells you it arrived. In the next few minutes you'll know every control, both ring calls, and what the light is telling you. Start at the top. The left knob is the rotary selector, your channel change. The right knob is volume, it switches the radio on and sets the audio. In front of it sits the small orange top key, which flips you between Zone 1 and Zone 2. And on the front face, above the grille, the LED indicator. Down the left side, 3 keys. The big one is the PTT, push to talk. Below it, the upper key, home of the 2 ring calls we'll get to. Then the lower key, hold it down to open the tone mute and hear everything on the channel. On the front, the speaker sits behind the grille with the microphone below it, marked MIC. Power couldn't be simpler, rotate the volume knob and the radio is on. The same knob is your volume, rotate it while receiving to set the level. One thing the manual insists on, charge the battery fully before the very first use. 32 channels, organized as 16 in each of 2 zones. The rotary selector moves you through the channels, the top key flips the zone, and the radio announces the zone number every time. That's how you stay certain with no screen. Hold the top key down and you can turn the spoken channel announcements on or off too. The golden rule, everyone in your group needs the same zone, the same channel and the same tone. Talking has one habit worth learning: pause. Wait until the channel is clear, press and hold the PTT, then pause a beat before you speak, that way your first word arrives intact. Hold the microphone 5 to 10 centimeters from your mouth and use your normal voice. Release to receive. Now the party trick, ring calls, both on the upper key. Push it once for a smart ring, every radio in your group rings, and automatically answers back. When the beeps and orange blinking start on your radio, you know the call reached them, even if nobody was holding their radio. 3 short beeps mean it didn't get through. Hold the upper key for a second instead and you send a call ring, a ringer from every speaker, a simple heads up to the whole team. Both need everyone on the same channel and tone. The light. Solid red means transmitting, solid green means receiving. A slow green blink says you should charge the battery, a quick green blink says you must. And blinking orange with beeps is a smart ring answer back arriving, push the PTT to acknowledge it and stop the noise. Finally, the battery and the waterproofing. Battery life depends on the pack, and the manual states them on its 5590 duty cycle with power save on, 16 hours on the BP278, 21 on the BP279, and 33 on the BP280, rail days vary with use. Charging is the BC213 desk charger, around 3.5 hours for the big pack, radio switched off. Orange means charging, green means done, and orange and green alternating means a charging failure, so stop. And that IP67 rating, dust tight, waterproof, holds only with the jack cover or a waterproof accessory fitted. Drop the radio hard, and the manual says the seal can no longer be guaranteed. That's the IC-F29SR2. 2 knobs, 3 keys, 2 zones, and a ring call that answers back. If you're speccing radios for a wet, dusty, drop it in a puddle kind of site, that's exactly what we do.